Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Apex Easy Learning, a platform where you will be taught different subjects based on O-level curriculum. We'll be looking at different subjects. We'll be looking at English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. Then also later we'll be introducing economics, government, financial account, literature in English, and commerce. This video lecture is going to be a short lecture which students can download or view on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter handle, the YouTube, and even we can get the video on Instagram. This first week of May will be introducing physics, chemistry, and mathematics first, and the following week will be releasing other lectures, other subjects. So we want you all to follow us as we release the lecture every day of the week in those different subjects. We wish to also implore schools and organizations, parents, and the students at home to take this opportunity to learn online with this Apex Easy Learning. My name is P. Sam, and you will also be introduced to other lecturers as they are releasing the lectures each day. In physics and chemistry, we will be breaking the subject into different groups. Like physics will be divided into mechanics, heat and temperature, optics, electricity, and atomic physics, while the chemistry will be divided into physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. The rest subject will follow the normal topic. We thank you for patronizing us, and we want you to help us share this video, like the videos, share it on different platforms, and you can also invite friends, your brothers, sisters, relatives, neighbors to also watch our videos, learn from it, share the videos, like the videos on all the platforms that will be releasing the video: YouTube channels, Twitter handles, Facebook, and Instagram. Once again, I'm P. Sam. I will be your tutor. Thank you.